This is August 17th trade recap. Sorry, last week I was hardly doing the recaps. Most of the days I didn't even take trades because we either chop around and then push super high to the upside, or we would just chop and not do anything. So we will get into this trade instead that I took today. Today is Monday, and I got a new mic, so the quality should be much better. I actually got tagged into the trade here originally. Okay, so we can get into today's price action. So coming into the day, what did I notice? I noticed that we had this huge leg up after sweeping this out. Notice that we have this daily unfilled gap down here, and that generally, as we are bullish, we started making this bearish structure. And I noticed, what do we have? We have this unfilled, well, it's almost filled now, this unfilled new week opening gap. So that's going to be my target for today. There's also no top wick on it as well. So I really want this new week opening gap to come down to get filled. Excuse me. So the market opens and we expand up. We come up and we tap perfectly into the 709 range, and we start to get a push down. We build this 5-minute rejection block here. We also have this 15-minute rejection block that I go off the CE of for my entry. We were also in line with, from this rejection block to the low here, we were also in line with 0.79 on the fib, very powerful level. We also had this 5-minute order block supporting us, or 1 minute, my fault. This 1-minute order block supporting us here. So I get tagged in, we run up through a little bit, and then we start to get a push down. Let me get rid of some of this. It's really crowded. Okay, there we go. So we start to get that push up. I could have easily taken my entry off of this 1-minute rejection block, but I would rather get tagged into the trade and it being a higher time frame trade than to not. So I have my original stop up here, giving me about a 3.2 RR on the trade, risking only 4 micros. Again, just trying to grow this account until I am at payout threshold. So we, like I said, we're up here, and instead of having a set break-even spot, I just went with market structure instead. So whenever we made this rejection block here, move stops down to here. And as we made this rejection block, I move stops to there, and then here, and I left stops here until we got down and broke this low here, to which I went break even on my stops. My target was, and the only thing that was a little bit scary about this trade was the 10 a.m. open. So I really needed us to get some momentum down. That way we could have room for that false manipulation move. So and then yeah, we kind of just followed market structure all the way down, and we had equal lows right here on normal NQ, which I took a partial there, and then got fully out here. I also used Bookmap a good bit for this, and the final target could have been the new week opening gap, the bottom of it to fill it, but I just didn't want to hold my trade that long, and as you see, we did get the rally back up. That probably would have stopped me out in profit, but yeah, so that is going to do it for this trade recap. Yeah, I hope everyone else did very well today. I have no voice today, so don't mind that. But yeah, hope everyone is doing well.